Do you want to know how we convert an image to a custom paint by number kit? The first step is to run the image through our custom software. This software transforms the image into a paint by number. The image is now ready for printing, but before we print, we inspect the result and confirm with the customer that they're happy with it. Now let's get the canvas ready for printing. First step, we measure the canvas to ensure the proper length. Then we trim the canvas with a nice straight line. Then we load the trimmed canvas into the printer. With the canvas ready, we now print the custom paint by number. With the canvas printed, we then move on to the preparation of the paint. The first step is to label all of the paint pots. With the paint pots prepped, say that 10 times fast, they're ready for paint. So we move on to mixing the custom paint colors all by hand. 24 paints are included in each kit. Here I'm showing the process of mixing one of the many greens. Then once each paint is mixed, we transfer the paint to the corresponding paint pot. Now all 24 paints are mixed and we're ready to package everything together. We start the packaging by assembling the box. Then we roll up the canvas and insert it into the box. Then the paints are added next, followed by 3 paintbrushes. This package is now ready to be sent to the customer. Check out the link in our bio to get your custom paint by number kit.